In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insure your camera equipment for rentals. By the end, you'll understand which type of policy you need, what it typically covers, and how to get a quick quote online without confusion. First, decide whether you're renting out your own gear to clients or renting gear from a rental house. This choice determines the policy type. If you rent your own equipment to others, look for equipment rental insurance designed for commercial use. It's tailored to protect your gear while it's being used professionally, including when it's in someone else's care. If you're the one borrowing gear from a rental house, you'll want rented equipment insurance, which covers items you don't own but are responsible for during the rental period. There are dedicated camera insurance options built specifically for photographers and videographers. These providers understand how shoots work, the risks to cameras, lenses, and lighting, and the need for flexible coverage as projects change. Going with a specialized insurer can make the process smoother and the policy terms more relevant to real-world production scenarios. As an example, you can use a provider like TCP Insurance. Head to their website and look for the product that matches your situation. You can browse their categories and select the insurance type that best fits your use case, such as photography insurance for creators who own and operate their gear, or options suited to equipment being rented or rented out. When you review coverage highlights, look for the essentials: protection for theft, accidental damage, and fire or water damage, along with worldwide coverage when you travel for shoots, and allowances for rentals and commercial use. These are common exposures for creatives, so confirming they're included helps avoid gaps when you're on set or on the move. If you simply want a ballpark price, use the online quote tool. Fill in the required personal information and details about your work and equipment values. Be accurate and consistent, since the quote depends on what you report. Near the bottom, you'll see a question asking whether you need insurance within the next 24 hours. Select yes or no based on your deadline, as this can affect how quickly your policy is issued. When everything looks good, click Submit. After you submit, expect pricing and policy options you can review. Take a moment to check limits, deductibles, and the territory of coverage, and make sure the policy matches how you actually use your gear. That's it. Now you know how to insure your camera equipment for rentals with confidence.